Okay, let's see if there's anything in here. Any surprises on my 56th birthday? Try to get back there far enough. See if there's anything in there. Yeah, no surprises, huh? Oh, that's a bummer. Just bees. That's what I need to get stung. Really, you gonna land on me, dude? Get off me. Really? I got hit. I'm gonna get stung by a stupid bee. What? Get away from me. Oh, man. Oh, I sent it. It went in. Oh, I got snagged on something. There's weeds in there. Come on, fish. Show me what you got. I need a nice gift right here. Come on. No, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Oh, it's gonna happen. Yeah. Oh, dude, that thing. I gotta look at him. Oh, Paul, he found me.
Well, how the fuck you beat me down here?
Oh, I've been here. Oh, you gotta drive like me, man. Right on. Well, Paul has 2 little bass so far, so I'm gonna have to catch up. You know, I still haven't told Paul it's my birthday today. You know, biggie. This old guy doing out here. Better check on him. Have any luck? It's either I'm seeing a bass, get the rod, or I see a carp, get the bow. I'm going back and forth. I'm not getting anywhere. Well, time for me to move. But I'll do it one more time just for luck. Just one more time. Just put it over there. That's a nice little spot right there. Did you see that? That was a nice little spot. Let's work it. Is anything gonna chase it? Is anything gonna grab it? Do you want it? Oh! 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 Come on now. This reel's messing with me. Oh! 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 I have 2 losses, 1 catch, and Paul has 2 catches about like this, and I'm feeling better. Old man Paul has got me beat. I don't think I'm gonna catch up. I'm trying to catch some little ones so I can catch up. Drag. He's gonna get off. He's gonna get off. That counts, Paul. That counts. Okay? I think that's 2 caught for me finally. There you go. Yeah, thank you. That looks like a good place for a bass. See how the water's swirling right there? Looks like one would just be hanging out, huh? Oh, did you see that cast? Oh, look at that coyote pup right there. Hey, sick doggy. Come out here to get a drink of water. He wouldn't believe me if I told him. Damn it, Paul. He caught another bass. Well, once again, my GoPro died, so I'm trying this with the phone.